Have you guys ever thought of making a YouTube video without your own voice? Without your facial appearance? No? But it is possible with AI. Today I'll show how you can make your own video with full AI. So, let's begin. First of all, go to ChatGPT and ask for a trending topic for your YouTube video. As you can see, you have got the trending topic to make your YouTube video. Now copy this title and paste it below so that you can ask for your script from ChatGPT on the topic we have got. Now you can see that we have got the script we wanted on the desired topic. Let's just copy the entire script given by ChatGPT and paste in the 11 labs and click on Generate. You can also select different voices as per your convenience. The voice is generated as we wanted, so we will just download it. Now, as we have got the voiceovers, we should move on to the visuals. For visuals, you can use Pexels. It's absolutely free, and you can download high-quality, free images and videos from here. For editing, I'll suggest you the Canva, as it is easy to access and can do the work you want for your YouTube video well enough. Just select a video template, and you're ready to work on. Now, upload and insert the images or videos you would like to feature in the video, and then add the voiceover we had made from 11 labs. And edit the video as you want. Now, as the video is almost complete, we will add captions for more clarity and more virtual appeal, as it increases the quality of the video and you can edit the captions as you want. Now, as the video is edited or completed, we will move on to our thumbnail. And for that, we'll again use ChatGPT. We will just ask for a thumbnail idea from it, and then tell ChatGPT to make a thumbnail from that context. You don't have to think from your mind a single thing ever, so just be relaxed. Now, our thumbnail is ready, and as you can see, how amazing it is, isn't it? See, how easy is it? Anyone can make video with AI. And now you can too. If you have any question regarding this, comment section is open for you. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.